Hey kids, welcome back to another episode of How to Trace Alphabet Letters. First, we have the uppercase letter S. S is for sky. S is for soap. Now let's trace the lowercase letter s. S is for stone. Next we have the uppercase letter T. T is for table. T is for toy. Now let's trace the lowercase letter t. T is for teacher.